Welcome beautiful people, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm your girl Katashi and thanks for subscribing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a honey garlic pork chops. So all the ingredients will be down in the description as usual. So let's get into it. So I have here some green seasoning and some jerk seasoning. So just going to put that there. I'm also going to add a half tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, half tablespoon of Maggie jerk, I'm going to add the same amount of onion powder, I'm also going to add the same half tablespoon of garlic powder, we're going to use half tablespoon of paprika, and a little bit of browning. So now I'm just going to give this a rub. You want to get it rubbed all over this juicy pork chops. Rub that in. And you're going to let this marinate for about 20 to 25 minutes because you want to seal in all that flavor from the seasoning, the powder seasoning and the green seasoning. You want to lock in all that flavor. So we're just going to let this marinate for about 20 to 25 minutes. Rub it up, rub it. Guys, it already smells amazing. So we're just gonna cook each side for about 3 minutes and then flip them over for another 3 minutes on each side. So now that I've fried off all our pork chops, I'm now going to add some minced garlic. So I've already added my minced garlic and you want to saute that a little to kind of get all the flavors out of it. So you want to put your stove on medium heat. So we're just going to let this saute for about 2 to 3 seconds. And then we're going to add our minced ginger. And I'm going to stir that in. As well, keep stirring for about another 2 seconds. And then we're going to add a cup of boiling water. Smells wonderful. And we're going to let that boil for about 2 minutes. Now that that's boiling, we're going to add our honey. And we're just going to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons or just add to taste. and we're just going to give it a nice stir. To this we're also going to add about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. And we're going to stir that in as well. Now that it's boiling, I'm going to gently place my pieces of pork chops in it. Careful now, no burning. Ooh. And we're also going to let this cook for about 25 minutes. We're going to scrape the bowl that we seasoned our pork chops in because it still has some seasoning in it. And we're just going to give that a little mix. 10 minutes of cooking. I'm going to come back and flip over my pork chops. So I'll see you then, guys. So guys, I'm just going to spin them over a bit. Go over. Lovely. So this one acting like it don't want to turn over. Okay. Looks amazing. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and I hope you try it. So there you have it, guys, my honey garlic pork chops. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video. You're getting this right.